coronavirus pandemic has pushed US oil prices into negative territory as the lack of demand leaves the world awash with oil. Now, Washington is moving to prop up the market, as Lebentz reports.
The United States is to buy up millions of barrels of US oil following a collapse in its price to zero for the first time in history. The price plunge means oil producers are paying buyers to take the commodity off their hands over fears that storage capacity could run out in May.
We're filling up our national petroleum reserves, the strategic reserves, and we're looking to put as much as 75 million barrels into the reserves themselves. That would top it out.
Demand for oil has all but dried up as the coronavirus crisis has shut down economies. At one point, the price of a barrel of West Texas Intermediate, the benchmark for US oil, fell as low as minus $37.
We've had oil demand collapse. People are driving less. No one's flying anywhere. So we have a lot of extra oil supply that's simply not being used. And that oil has to go somewhere. So if it's not being used, it has to go into storage. But there is a limit to how much oil the world can store.
Earlier this month, OPEC members and its allies finally agreed a record deal to slash global output by around 10%. The deal was the largest cut in oil production ever to have been agreed, but many analysts say the cuts are not big enough to make a difference.